Samsung is expected to launch its next-generation foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold7, later this year. And while the company hasn't officially confirmed the details yet, leaks and insider reports have already painted a compelling picture of what's coming. And one of the most exciting upgrades by far is the camera system, which is rumored to receive a huge leap forward, making it a true standout feature in this upcoming foldable flagship. According to multiple reports, the Galaxy Z Fold7 will boast a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary camera sensor. Yes, 200 megapixels, which is a massive jump from the 50-megapixel sensor seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and even further ahead of the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 4. Now, while this sensor isn't exactly new to Samsung's lineup, having made its debut in the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition that launched last year exclusively in Korea and China, this marks the first time such high-end camera tech is going mainstream in a global foldable release. This same 200MP sensor is also featured in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, meaning Samsung is pulling no punches in bringing top-tier imaging to its foldable devices. That said, the rest of the camera setup is expected to stay largely the same. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and the 10-megapixel telephoto lens will likely make a return, alongside a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the cover display. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The under-display camera, which lives beneath the foldable screen, is rumored to get a serious upgrade. While specific details remain under wraps, sources suggest we can expect improved image quality and higher resolution, which could finally make this camera more than just a novelty. But it's not just the cameras that are getting love. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also rumored to bring a sleeker, thinner design, with measurements reportedly shrinking to just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded and around 9.5 millimeters when folded, including the camera bump, and possibly down to 9 millimeters flat without it. That's a noticeable improvement in portability, making the device more pocketable and refined than ever before. The displays are also getting a bump in size. The inner screen is expected to expand to 8.2 inches, while the outer display will grow slightly to 6.5 inches, offering a better multitasking experience and more usable space across both panels. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is said to be powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same powerhouse found in the Galaxy S25 series. And there's even chatter about a 7-core variant of this chip, though that remains speculative for now. As for regional variants, some reports mention the Exynos 2500 might be used in select markets, but given Samsung's strong ongoing partnership with Qualcomm, most industry insiders believe the Snapdragon version will dominate globally. In terms of battery, don't expect major changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely to retain the same 4,400 mAh capacity as its predecessor, but with the efficiency gains from the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, users could still see notable improvements in battery life and thermal performance. Of course, all this leads us to the big reveal. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in July 2025, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7, following Samsung's usual unpacked event timeline. And with these massive camera enhancements, sleeker design, refined displays, and elite processing power, the Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting foldables yet. Whether you're a camera enthusiast, a multitasking pro, or just someone who loves cutting-edge innovation, the Z Fold 7 might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. For all the latest updates on Samsung's foldables, upcoming smartphones, and next-gen tech, stay tuned and subscribe to TechVerse.